Hey, thanks for joining my channel again. This is yet another unboxing video. Not an install video because it's freezing outside still. It's so cold. I can't wait till it warms up here in Ontario, Canada. It's not as bad as like Alberta and other places, I'm sure, but it's not really warming up yet. And it was actually kind of snowing a bit again today. Ugh. Anyways, I digress. So the video today is going to be an unboxing video. I'll put a drum roll in so it sounds. Again, on the Oracle products. I've been all over Oracle lately. These are the new LED reverse lights. What these do is these replace the, that's a better picture in the back. These replace the horrible, I shouldn't say horrible, but the reflectors that are already in your stock Gladiator bumper. You can pull them right out, and then you put in these, which are like reverse lights. So it's even brighter. And if I know anything like from Oracle, their stuff works awesome and it's super bright. So Oracle, if you're watching, and I know you are, hey man, I think it's time for some swag, maybe a t-shirt, maybe a hat. I bought this all on my own. I haven't asked for anything for free, but your product is pretty sick. So when I do the install video, it'd be pretty cool if it said like Oracle on a sweater, or on a hat or shirt. I'm just kidding. You don't have to send me anything. I love your products and they work really well and they're easy to install. The tail lights that I just installed on my Gladiator, like the flush mount ones, I'm telling you, they are sick. They are so bright. They look stock. Those like they came with the truck, but they look even better than the LED stock ones that I've seen on the higher end Gladiators. Because mine's a Rubicon, but it's not high end. It's not plush. It's just a Rubicon with leather seats. Not even heated, just leather, and I have the small screen. Anyway, I digress again. But with these lights, they should really enhance my reversing. It gets so dark at night sometimes, it's so hard to see. You know what I mean? But now having the Oracle tail lights and these Oracle backup lights, it should be primo. I might even like jerry-rig a switch. Well, not jerry-rig, but I'll hook up a switch inside the vehicle or hook it up to something else that I've got that's coming. And I can actually, maybe I'll have it so I don't need to actually put the reverse, put it in reverse to get light. I might just have an aux switch and just press it. So maybe for off-road, if I want to see what's behind me without going to reverse, I can just press that button and it'll light up the way for me. Without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing video and let's see how good this product is from Oracle. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here they are, the Oracle LED reverse lights for the Gladiator. Part number, of course, just in case you are wondering, that's it. So let's take a look and see what you get inside the box. Oh, Oracle sticker again. It looks like instructions, great. The instructions by Oracle are actually pretty darn good. Those last ones really helped me. They even had like a video link, which was kind of cool, to an install video. Whoa, those look sick. Really nice. Really nice. Let's lift them up a bit. Oh yeah. Look how many LEDs are on those reverse lights. That is amazing. Okay. So let's take a look at these guys here. Pretty heavy. Like they're not like, they're plastic of course, right? Maybe maybe not. Maybe they're aluminum. Nah, it looks like plastic. Okay, I see there's your hookups. Pretty nice. These are really nice. And the packaging, again, I love when people package their products really nice. So like having the styrofoam in here with the box, just, in sort of, when you're selling it or shipping it, you're not going to get it broken. I like that. So good job, Oracle. Looks like these are just your little tap-ins, right? So it taps into your lines that you're going to use. Again, we'll get into that once I get into the install video. Well, that was a pretty simple unboxing video, but these are the LED reverse lights that replace this reflector, the big gigantic reflector in the back of your bumper on your Gladiator. So stay tuned for my install video and subscribe, like, or I'll put the like right here and then subscribe right here. Anyways, thanks so much for watching and hey, watch more of my horrible videos in the future. Thanks.